This is a Quattro Pro spreadsheet. It was Excel's rival in the 90s. Modern Excel can usually open it, but you might need to change the file type drop-down to all files. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open it. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest WB1 cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. A WB1 file is associated with Quattro Pro, a spreadsheet program. Specifically, it represents a guide or help document created for use within Quattro Pro. This file likely contains instructions, tutorials, or reference materials to assist users in understanding and utilizing the software's features and functionalities. The WB1 file format is proprietary to Quattro Pro. It may contain formatted text, images, and interactive elements designed to guide users through various tasks. The file structure is optimized for display within the Quattro Pro environment, ensuring a seamless integration with the software's interface. The direct link for opening WB1 Files is established with Quattro Pro Legacy from Borland Corel. The file's loose formatting rules mean Windows cannot validate its structure. Windows offers limited insight into formulas or formatting, so proper use requires spreadsheet tools. We are initiating the compatibility check. Right-click your WB1 file and choose Open With. Your best bet is Quattro Pro Legacy. Test it now. If it's unavailable, select another listed application to check its reading ability. When your WB1 file does not open, it is usually a small issue. We're going to use the universal fix, but it helps to know the source. Here are the most common technical culprits behind your system's rejection of the WB1 file. First, use Quattro Pro. Open the file using Corel Quattro Pro, the required application for the spreadsheet. Next, use Excel Converter. Use Microsoft Excel with the necessary conversion add-in to open the file. Finally, convert to XLSX ODS. Use an online converter to export the file to XLSX or ODS. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.